Hello guys, the Zoomer cat repair is happening, and just wait a second, I'll be back. Hey guys, the Zoomer cat repair is happening. So, my grandpa's here, he's tampering with it. And there goes Ashlyyn. I named her Ashlyyn. Suggestion for my brother. But one thing for sure, I'll tell you, we will fix her. We would definitely fix her. So, yeah, Grandpa's just playing around before doing anything, like, on the actual leg itself. Just seeing if he could get an answer. Yes, that's a knife. Trying to tear out the tiny screw. Yeah, guys, I'll record when the juicy stuff comes, okay? Bye for now. Okay. The juicy stuff isn't happening yet, but just thought I'd, give you little sneakies. Grandpa's trying to do something, so. Oh my god, that looks really like there's a knife directed at him. Yeah, you see he's trying to unscrew the tiny, mini screw. Mini screw. Mini screw. That's a screw, like, if you don't see it, it's very, very small. Look at this. Just wait, guys. I need to talk to my brother. Hello, guys. We are back. Nothing really, but, you see my grandpa has unscrewed one part of the limb. He's now trying to do the other. Yes. Well, not really one part entirely, but it takes a while to unscrew these things. They make them really good these days. Please hope my cat works again. I have to do this. So, yes. Well, actually, I'll be back to you later. There, he just took off another screw. There's a collection of lonely screws. Okay, another screw's on this way out. You do not notice that? Perfect. The operation is going successful so far. Sorry, guys. Family talking up there. So, the operation. Just my brother arguing. I'll be back when there's less noise. Okay, guys, major breakthrough. Look at that. There is gears inside the Zoomer's leg. Whoa. Look how amazing that looks. And wires that connect to it. Let me just give you a zoom out view. Like, dudes, look at that. Who knew that was inside the Zoomer's leg? So, Grandpa's just making sure nothing is wrong. He's tampering with it, and just see if that does anything. It is a major breakthrough. Like, I never noticed that was inside a Zoomer's leg. My mistake, so we won't be opening up the Zoomer, but we're opening up the legs. Already one was open while I went to take a shower, so right now, I'm just recording the actual operation itself. Yeah. So, whoa. It's like these tiny little gears. They're so cute. Like, oh my gosh. So these, I think, are just to make the Zoomer legs move. Sorry, that's just Grandpa's hands. Ooh, hands. Those are my fingers. That's my nail. Okay. So, a close-up view of the gears. He's not entirely connected. Maybe that's the problem. Grandpa is trying to stabilize it. He's trying to stabilize the connection again and make sure electricity is pumping and running through the legs of the foot. He's pumping and making sure that like, we need to make sure that electricity is pumping and running through the leg. I'll be back, guys. Dinner time. And that is it for the Zoomer operation. I will make a video and tell you guys if it worked. Bye, guys.